Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Prada Americas Cup. We got to go over the sizing, the fit. We got to go over the price. I got to give you an on feet, and it's only right that I give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back. So you already know, man, we're talking about the Prada Americas Cup today, man. And so this is a shoe that I really had my eye on for a long time. Like, it's one of those classic silhouettes, but I mean the price has been kind of increasing, so I've been just kind of holding back on if I should buy them or if I shouldn't get them. But I do have a vacation coming up, and every time I go out the country, I like to come, with a little bit more drip, man. So I said, you know what, let's go ahead and grab these Prada Americas Cup, and yeah, let's see what it do. So I have my box right here. Now, first things first, I had to go to the Prada store because there's a specific color that I wanted. It's like an all gray patent leather pair that I hadn't seen before. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna go to the Prada store. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna do our thing, man. But guess what? They did not have that color in stock. They said it was all sold out in like a week, man. So I didn't even know Prada shoes had like release dates and stuff like that. But I was definitely disappointed. But I said, you know what, while I'm here, let's try something new so I can, see what size I might need, if I can find them online, through like maybe Neiman's or Saks or something like that, man. So they had some other fire colors as well, but I was really eyeballing the gray because when it comes to designer shoes, I really like to buy white because I feel like white shoes can go with pretty much anything. So I'll get more use out of a white pair of designer shoes, and if they're brown, I can only wear them with like certain things. But I said, you know what, instead of going white, I'm gonna go with this cool gray color because I feel like that'll still give me some of that, versatility that a white pair will, but it won't be a white pair. I got white red bottoms, I got white Gucci's, I got white like every other designer. So I said, let me change it up a little bit, man. And so what I ended up doing, I ended up buying the black Prada cups from the Prada store. And you know what, I kept them for maybe like 10-12 days. I was looking at them, I said, let me just get what I really want. Let me see if I can find them. And so guess what, I was able to find them. And so here we go. Right here I have my box. I have my trusty box cutter. And just as a heads up, if you do buy anything from the Prada store, you only have 14 days to return it. So I was within my time. I said I'll give myself 14 days to see if I can find the other ones. If not, I'm gonna stick with the black ones. The black ones are fire too, but I was really looking for these gray ones. Let's do it. I got my trusty box cutter. Give it a slice down the middle. Peel back, gang. You know the vibes. We gonna peel it back, and we gonna peel it back. So here we go. So I did end up getting these. I think I got them through Neiman Marcus. They had like one pair, like it was showing sold out, but then I kept checking back, and then my size came up. So like I said, we're gonna talk about the sizing and everything, but first let's go ahead and get into the shoes. Oh yeah, so very nicely wrapped. Let me go ahead and take this big old thing out of here. All right, boom. We got the bag, we got the receipt right here. Go ahead and take that out. We got the box. We're gonna start off with the box. We got our Prada box, all black. The signature red stripe right here does say Prada. Gonna take a quick look right here. We got the label right there. And let's see what the official colorway for this one is called. Floradiso Argentino. Okay, I can dig it. And I got these in a size 8. Now, just as a heads up, my regular true shoe size is a size 10. So like Jordan 1s, size 10. Air Force 1s, I like to go down a half a size. So that's like a 9.5. In these products, I got a size 8. Now I tried on a 7. I could fit them. They were very tight though. I tried the 7.5, gave me a little more room. Then I tried on the 8 and it was perfect. So I'm a 10 US, and in these products I'm a size 8. So I actually went down 2 sizes, you know. And so just as a heads up, a Prada 8 is like a US 9. So I know the numbers are like confusing, but basically what I did was I went 1 size down in my US size. So it says 8, but this is a US 9, and I wear a US 10. Any questions, hit me in the comments, man, and I'll try my best to answer them. But let's go ahead and open this up. We got the black paper right here. We have Prada little information right here. Let's get into the kicks, man, because I was very, very pleased to see these pop back up. Ooh, and for good reason. Come on, man. Right here we have the Prada Americas Cup. Man, this gray is too clean. Like, it reminds me almost of the cool gray Jordan 11s, because you get that patent leather right up on that front. Man, this is nice. This is a nice pair of shoes, man. You get that patent leather on the front. We have somewhat of a mesh right here on the inside and on the outside as well. You got your white laces. These are kind of a thicker style lace. And you know what? I have a question for y'all. How do you prefer to lace up your designers? Do you like this bar design where it's just straight across? Or do you like the, you know, classic kind of crisscross design? I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them laced up like this, or if I'm gonna go to like the original, just regular, you know, crisscross laces. But that's how the laces come. We have that insole right here, which is like it's like a leather style or leather feel of the insole. Has that Prada on the inside right here. We have the Prada going on the tongue, and it almost connects to the heel of the shoe. We have that same red Prada strip right there. So if you really look at it like this, it goes boom, straight to the insole, from the insole to the outsole. So it's almost, I mean, it looks pretty connected to me. You feel me? We have that all white sock liner. Man, this is a really good, clean pair of shoes. We got a nice all white bottom. It doesn't seem like there's like super traction on these, but like I said, I'm not gonna be playing basketball or nothing. This is just strictly for, you know, the lounging, walking around. You could put this on with like a nice, actually, you could dress these up or dress them down. You feel me? Like you could put these on with a suit if you got like a, you know, some kind of dressy button up casual thing, or if you just want to be relaxing on some vacation vibes, which is what I'm gonna use it as. I'm gonna get some good use out of these, man. Cool gray. You can match them with anything. I could wear this with red, yellow, blue, purple, teal, green, and yeah, it's gonna be a win, man. So let me just take a quick look at the other shoe. Also, we have some dust bags in here as well. Actually, this is a pretty nice Prada bag. So I'm guessing this is the dust bag. It has a little clip on it. Boom, opens up. Nice Prada right there. So I guess you could put your shoes in this. I'm gonna most likely put my shoes in one of those type of boxes. But yeah, so we got right here the left. Let me go ahead, take a quick look at the right, make sure it's all good. And yes, come on, man, look at them. Looking clean, man. This is like a universal color. Just like how the white is, you can always rock anything with white. I feel like you can do the same thing with this cool gray. I'm gonna call these the cool gray cups. You feel me? The triple C's, the CGC. You feel me? The cool gray cups, man. But yeah, very nice. You know, I gotta give you the on feet. I'm gonna probably show you what they look like with the no-show socks, because that really gives you like that good Miami, you know, tropical out the country vacation vibe if you go no socks. But then you also run the risk of getting this inner sock liner dirty if you do that. So I know some people like to wear, you know, the higher socks just to keep that part clean. So I'm gonna make sure I give you the on feet with both of those looks, and it's only right that I give you some outfit ideas. So stay tuned. And right here, I am putting the shoes on. And one of the drawbacks on having the laces that are like the bar that go straight across is that you don't really get too much tension, or you don't get to really adjust the shoelaces that much because of the way that it's laced up. Now, these are a good fit for me, so I don't really need to tighten them up or anything like that. I won't have any like heel slippage or anything like that, but that is something to keep in mind if you do keep them laced up with that bar style lacing. But I mean, just look at the shoes, man. Super clean pair of shoes. I mean, perfect for summer, perfect for spring. I mean, you can still get away with these in the fall, in the winter. I mean, I really feel like they're a universal color. And the price on these were $850. So, I mean, they're not a cheap pair of shoes, but once you get into that designer realm, you know, you expect to pay a pretty penny for these, man. But since I did go to Neiman's, I was able to use my top cash back, where I get cash back on purchases at certain spots. So I'll leave the link in my description for that. Now, right here, I decided to throw it on with just a very nice, chill fit. You know, we got the polo on. Now, this is a polo from H&M. I think it's like maybe like 15 bucks. Then I got the shorts from H&M, just some sweat shorts. And this is just like an example of how, you know, the whole outfit as far as the shirt and the shorts is like maybe 30 bucks. But when you throw the shoes on, it just elevates the whole look of the outfit. Went ahead, threw it on with the Gucci shades, and there you go. It's like you locked in, you chilling, you vibing, and you lounging. And right here, you know, I wanted to give you different looks, so I went ahead and threw them on with some jeans. You know, I got the gray jeans right here. And I mean, the shoes still look very, very good. And just as a side note, these are some of the most comfortable designer shoes that I have. They're not extra heavy. They're actually pretty lightweight. And I went ahead and threw it on with the gray jeans. You know, we got that fitted. You can't go wrong with the fitted, man. But it looks good with the gray jeans. You know, I have on a t-shirt. The t-shirt is from Pristine Clothing, man. They got some heat right there. So this is their one pocket t-shirt. Went ahead and picked that up just for that clean vibe right there. Got the you know, got the Mets fitted on so we can get it on. But yeah, man, another clean fit, just showing the versatility of the shoes, man. Good look. You know, this is another thing. You might want to go to the, you know, go to the club. You can rock something like this. You know, got the white tee, but it's not just a pure white tee, but definitely another clean fit. And here we have the, come on, man. You know, it's got a little something extra for you, man. We got the America's Cup with that red, you know, one of their signature colors. I feel like if you don't get the gray, I think the red is always a good starting point, man. But this is the no-show sock look right there. And when you have it with the no-show socks, I mean, it really just gives you that island kind of tropical vacation type of a vibe right here. Went ahead, threw it on with the t-shirt. Have the swimming trunks. These are actual swimming trunks that I have on right here, man, because I'm a big fan of wearing swimming trunks just as a part of the style. Went ahead, threw it on with that Angels fitted, man. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You know I got more heat coming, man. I appreciate y'all. Pillback gang, we outside with it, man. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.